Question number 145. In some codes, they limit the ratio of weight of hammer to weight of pile for pile driving. What is the reason behind this? When a hammer with initial motion collides with stationary pile, the transfer of energy is most efficient when the two masses are comparable. That is the reason why some codes limit the ratio of weight of hammer to the weight of pile to be more than 0.5. If the weight of hammer is too low, most of energy during hammer driving is distributed to the hammer, and this causes tension induced in hammer and results in inefficient transfer of energy. Thanks for watching.